Hey, what's up, Sam here. Today we are going to unbox the Geekbuying H10 Pro. Wow, it's heavy because it has a bracket in it. So let's check it out. Let's just open it. Foldable tube. Not so many stick vacuum cleaners come with this. Lots of accessories, some screws, the head. Okay, I guess auto battery. Yeah, we didn't put the battery here. Bracket, hose, that's the battery. You ready?
Auto mode.
Oh, it has a. It even has a voice assistant.
Auto mode.
Charger. I will have a base here. That explains why the package is so heavy. Alright, so that's all the stuff you can get from the box. One thing I really love about the Geekbuying H10 Pro is it comes with the base and some other tube accessories, so you don't need to punch holes on your walls. So it's really easy to install and assemble. Check this out. That's it, right? In order to fix it, you just use this bag of screws. Just tighten here, screws here. It's just a really couple of screws, you know. It's really easy, and that's the thing I really like. And because of the thing, it's really heavy, so you don't need to, you know, worry about your pets to stumble down or something. No need to worry about that. All right, so here you can put the accessories. All right, that's the unboxing and assembly. If you want to learn more, please stay tuned for my later testing videos. I will test everything about it. Stay tuned for that, okay? I'm Samuel. See you in the next one.